Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone allows notifications and overlays. Tap Install, then grant notification access so Notifybuddy reads alerts. Once done, permit overlay and disable battery optimization to keep the app active in background. Next, open the app and pick an LED style and intensity so alerts are visible in your setup. These initial steps let Notifybuddy intercept notifications reliably. Without permissions, it cannot function, so handle them now. Now you configure what Notifybuddy watches and why those choices matter. Tap Apps to choose which programs trigger the LED. This reduces noise and saves battery. Then customize color, blink speed, and whether vibration syncs with the LED so you recognize urgency at a glance. Also set a quiet schedule to avoid alerts during meetings or sleep. Once done, test with a message to see timing and intensity. These middle settings balance visibility versus power and distraction. To finish, run a test. Send notifications from selected apps and confirm the LED responds. If things look dim or inconsistent, make sure overlay permission and notification access are still granted, and that battery optimization is excluded for Notifybuddy. Next, check the app's logs to identify dropped alerts and tweak sensitivity or app selections. If problems persist, restart your phone and, as a last resort, reinstall the app. This clears corrupted settings and typically resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.